Okay, so downtown Atlanta, midtown Atlanta, anywhere inside the perimeter, you definitely need to be in your safe spot. This is an observed tornado, which means that there is a tornado on the ground. Again, we're tracking this for you. Looks like Atlanta at about 10:42 a.m., Ormwood at 10:46, and then Decatur at 10:51. Again, hundreds of thousands of people live in these areas. Druid Hills, you as well. 10:48 is when this storm will cross over. And like Fred and I said, we're not seeing any signs that this storm is weakening. It actually looks like that couplet is strengthening a little bit, which means that it could be getting stronger at the surface. And this is a confirmed tornado. It now looks like it is going to cross 285. Oh man, yep, this right here is a defined couplet. There is absolutely a tornado at the surface. Do you see this right here? That is the funnel crossing Cascade Road. Looks like now it is just now crossing 285. Falls Road, Benjamin E. Reyes Drive. So this is now just inside of the west wall of 285, working its way towards West Midtown, working its way. It's crossing into Smyrna. If you live in these areas, you absolutely need to be in your safe spot. Defined couplet right here just to the west of 285 and now just to the south of I-20. So crossing inside of the perimeter as we speak. Just to the south of Center Hill, you are in the tornado warning. Atlanta, you are in the tornado warning. Midtown, you are in the tornado warning. Here's an updated track, 10:35, so that's in 1 minute. Stratford, it is crossing into your area right now. Battle Hill, Haven, it will be in your area in about 3 minutes. In Atlanta, you have about 6 minutes to get into your safe spot before this tornado crosses over. And again, this is a confirmed tornado. Now, Fred was here tracking the last storm system that we saw at the very end of March when we saw that EF4 tornado move through Newnan. So he, Jen, Rodney, we were all here tracking this. We have not seen much severe weather since then. This is our next system. We've been talking about it all morning. I talked about it on Wake Up Atlanta, the chance for spin-up tornadoes. Not only spin-up tornadoes, but also hail, damaging winds, and we could even see very heavy rain, not only today, but tomorrow the threat will actually be even more heightened. But again, this is a confirmed tornado now, and this is a debris ball. So what we're saying, this is one of the many products that we use to see tornadoes or rotation at the surface. This is called the correlation coefficient. And you see these areas of yellow and blue. This is very low values. And what that means is that the radar is picking up on large objects that are flying around in the air. Objects like leaves, objects like paper, objects that are much bigger than raindrops. And that indicates to us that there is flying objects in the air, and that means that there most likely or definitely is a tornado at the surface, not only up in the cloud, but at the surface of the ground. And that's exactly what we're seeing, a confirmed tornado. Again, now just crossing 285 into West Atlanta. Let's go back to, oh man, yep, let's go back to, this is our velocity. And as you can see, you can really tell this is a very strong couplet. You can see the winds coming up and going down, and then they come together right here, just crossing 285 right now. This is maybe just about a mile south of Center Hill. Stratford, the tornado is moving right over you right now. It is headed towards Battle Hill, Haven. It is headed towards Center Hill, and then eventually it will make its way into West Midtown in the next 5 to 10 minutes, eventually now moving into downtown and then Inman Park. So again, these highly populated areas where a lot of people are now back to work. Okay, if you have family that is working downtown in Atlanta or Midtown, call them. Let them know that they are under a tornado warning, that there's a confirmed tornado on the ground, and that they need to get away from windows and into their safe spot, okay? Here's again a look at the tornado warning, which it goes until 10:45, so it goes for the next 8 minutes. I expect the National Weather Service to extend this tornado warning as this tornado continues to move east at about 35 miles per hour. Fred, tell me what else you're seeing